prepare in life is living your own dream. Living your own what? Dream. Don't live the dreams of your parents, of your friends. Because that will lead you to maybe a profession that you are not prepared for. Today when we talk about parents, they had so many dreams. They had so many dreams, big dreams. But some of the parents, when they fail to realize those dreams, then they are forcing them to the children. And that is why you find that maybe a failure, which we view as a failure, or parents view as a failure, to you might be a success. That is why you find some people committing suicide. Because tumekuwekea pressure, umepata maybe people, unawekewa pressure, and that was your potential. That is why you find some ending up committing suicide. So today, live your dream. Know what your potential can do for you. Live your dream. The other thing that I want to talk about is always having an alternative B in your life. Niliwaambia kwamba nilitaka kuwa karau. Na mbio nilikuwa nayo. Nilijua nikienda uwanja hakuna mtu angenishinda. But what I loved is that alternative B in my life. All what I wanted is to become a karau. So immediately when I failed in my first attempt, I knew that grade would have enabled me to get into the forces. That is why I never, when I did my KCSE the first time, I never thought of becoming a teacher. I never thought of becoming anything else but becoming a soldier. What happened? Ukanimaliza 2010 nilipata kazi in a primary school. I worked hard. My science and Kiswahili class 7 was the second best in the zone. Na certificate niko nayo. Na nilikuwa nimefail form 4. But what did my head teacher tell me? Wakati nirudi shule na hiyo certificate. Kim, you are performing because you are teaching what you know and what you don't know. He is my boss. At that time, I could not react. And that is why I want to tell you the importance of getting quality grades, quality papers. Because if I had quality papers, ningejua hata ningeenda shule nyingine ningepata kazi. Then unfortunately, my dad alianza kushughulika niingie karau. Unfortunately, he passed on. I think ilikuwa 2010. So what was left for me? Of course, kuingia pale kulihitaji corruption kidogo. Hakukuwa na mtu wa kunisukuma. I remember hadi tulienda hizo recruitments toka hapo nikaenda kutafuta shule. Na sikuwa najua visa zitatoka wapi. Hata sikuwa nimeambia mtu. Nilienda Thika, I think I went there twice. Mara 3. Wakawa wananiambia there is no place for you. So the last time nilienda nikachukua certificate nikaenda nikaambia deputy, nimekuwa mwalimu, nimefundisha. I was a teacher. And I was given an opportunity. Nikarudi Thika that term, form 3. Tuko pamoja? So I learned an alternative A in life, alternative B. That means I wasted 2 years before deciding what I want to become. And I want what I want to do with my life. So today I have an alternative B. So that immediately when your alternative A fails, then it will be replaced by your alternative B. Tuko pamoja? Number 4. Having a dream, vision, or purpose. Have a dream, have a vision, or purpose. And when I talk about dream, when I talk about vision, when I talk about purpose, is the ability to see in the mind. Are you able to see in the mind? Are you able? That vision is that ability to see in the mind. Saizi hatuna magari, but we have that vision. We can see in our minds. We don't have those big houses, but we have that vision. And what I want to say to you students is that you cannot start what you cannot see the end. Are we there? You always start what you can see the end. Are you together? You are working hard because you are seeing yourself an important person in the future. You are studying hard because you want to get those good good courses in the future. So you cannot start what you cannot see. Let me ask you, for example, if maybe watu wanapitia hapa ama pale kwa market, most of the people in that market will see disturbance. But mtu wa biashara pale will see an opportunity. Will see a what? An opportunity. An opportunity. Now there were two men who were building. Jamaa akapitia pale akapata jamaa ndio ameanza kujenga. Akauliza wa kwanza, "What are you building?" Akakasirika sana akamuuliza, "Can't you see I'm laying blocks?" Mwingine akauliza, "What are you doing?" Akamwambia, "I'm building a church." Now there are two different things in these two people. Ilikuwa two foundation, but one of them can see that church complete. With worshippers inside, but the other one cannot see the end. Anaona tu ni blocks inalea hapo. Kwako wewe kama mwanafunzi unaona nini mbele yako? And that is the most important. What can you see ahead of you? Number 6. Appreciate who you are and what the environment around you can do for you. In that way, you'll be able to appreciate what your parents are offering to you. You'll be able to appreciate what your school is offering to you. Number 7. Another important thing. Outside hang around with successful people. Outside hang around with successful people. Who are your friends? In school, what is your company? Wakati huo nilikuwa natembea na watu ambao walikuwa wamesoma. They used to challenge me. Nakumbuka wakati huo nilikuwa na kabodaboda, hata nilikuwa naenda stage. But ningeendelea kukaa pale stage, singepata watu wa kunichanua. So if you stay with the people who can challenge you, you'll be able to think ahead. If you stay with the people like Nixon, anamalizia masters, alikuwa disco. Unasikia alisponsor, sasa anamalizia masters. I think ya physics ama chemistry.
Physics.
Anamalizia masters. Muulize wale ambao walipata B+, sasa wako wapi? There is that vision in him. So I'm with those people who can challenge you. Those people who can tell you that this is not right, this is not the way to go. And those are the friends that you can rely on. Tuko pamoja? And what you require in this life is just a good grade that can qualify you to convince people that you can be able to do anything. That grade that you'll be able to convince people that you are able to do good things. Number 8, commitment. As a student, as an individual, in whatever you do, you require that commitment. And when I talk about commitment, I'm talking about that willingness to work hard. That willingness to do what? To work hard. Willingness to give all your time and energy and having that inner desire. Willingness to work hard and willingness to give all your time and energy and that inner desire and having an agreement within yourself. Do you have an agreement with yourself? What do you want with this life? Ama uko hapa unaishi tu. What do you want with this life? So have an agreement within yourself that you are going to do everything possible to achieve and realize your dream. And I want to ask this. If there are 5 men here, and maybe a beautiful lady apitia mahali hapo, si kila mtu atamwadimaya, especially wale hawajaoa. Si kila mtu atamwadimaya. Lakini huyu jamaa atakuwa bibi yao, watu wote pale wanaume watano. At the end of the day, that lady becomes a wife to one of the admirers. To one of the 5 admirers. What is the difference between these 5 people? One is commitment. Mmoja alimuona na akajicommit, akasema huyu ni huyu, na akamfuata mpaka mwisho. So you need to have that commitment within yourself. You need to have that desire to work hard. Number 9, I want us to think about suggestions. inaitwa suggestions ama suggestions, vile utaiweka sawa sawa. And when I talk about suggestions, is the process by which our mental and physical state is the process by which our mental or physical state can be influenced by something either internal or external. So, is the process by which our mental or physical state can be influenced by something either internal or external. Let me ask you, if somebody comes here and calls you stupid, what comes into your mind? Ndio amekuja tu mmekutana amekuita stupid. What comes into your mind? What comes into your mind? Utaudhika sana. Sawa sawa. But this person is just throwing a suggestion to you that you are stupid. So it is up to you to take that statement or not to take it. Sawa sawa. And that is why I have talked about internal and external suggestions. Internal is what you think about yourself. Sawa sawa. And that is the most important. What do you think about yourself? What are you talking about yourself? And external is what people are talking about you. And that doesn't matter. It is up to you to own what they are saying or to say no to what they are saying. So, let me ask you, ladies. Maybe umeenda umesonga vizuri sana. Umekutana na mwanaume. Umemuuliza, how is my hair today? Alafu anakuuliza, when will you go back to the salon? What comes into your mind? He's just throwing a suggestion to you. Wewe unaanza kuona hiyo nywele ni mbaya, sijui nini sasa. So let us not think much about the external, what people are saying about us. So don't say you are weak in sciences. Say, I am strong in humanities. And that way you'll be able to work hard. But if you stay here crying that I am bad, I am not good in sciences, that will kill you. That will kill your dream. So, that will kill your dream. And those are some of the essential things that you require in your life today. If you apply those things in your life as a student, you'll be able to make the best out of you.